Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Dictation for Punjab and Haryana High Court. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 19 जो कि आपको पीडीएफ की फॉर्म में आपके टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा, जो आपको टेलीग्राम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। ये आपके 400 वर्ड्स है @ इसकी स्पीड रही आपकी। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। सेक्शन 147 ऑफ द नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एक्ट वॉज incorporated by negotiable instruments bracket open amendment and miscellaneous provisions bracket close act 2002. The contention of the petitioner is that section 147 of the NIA act enables the parties to compound the offence under this act at any time and there is no bar in compounding the case after conviction is confirmed by the highest court. It is also stated that because of the non-obstinate clause used in the beginning of the section, application of criminal procedure code is totally excluded. Therefore, sections 320 and 362 of CRPC have to be ignored, and once the matter is settled on a petition under section 482 of CRPC by using inherent powers, this court can accept the compounding and nullify the conviction and sentence already passed by the court and attained finality. It was also argued that even before section 147 was enacted, parties had power to settle the offences under NIA Act and compound the offence. For accepting the compounding petition by the court, no proceedings need be pending before the court. Once the contesting parties have compromised the matter in the absence of any prohibiting clause, court is bound to accept the same. It was further argued that though criminal in nature, complaint under section 138 is a private dispute between the parties for a speedy recovery, and dispute can be compromised at any time, whether before conviction and after conviction, but it cannot be stated that section 138 was incorporated only as a means for speedy recovery of a civil dispute. Sections 138 to 148 was inserted by the Banking Public Financial Institutions and Negotiable Instruments Laws Amendment Act 1988. The objects, reasons and preamble of the above act show that apart from providing a speedy remedy, the above act object of bringing section 138 on the statute appears to be to inculcate faith in the efficiency of banking operations and credibility in transacting business on negotiable instruments, and it is essential for the economic development of the country as held by the apex court. The expressions compromise and compounding are not synonymous in criminal jurisprudence, even though these expressions are usually used without any distinction. Any disputes can be compromised between the parties if the terms are not illegal, but only a compoundable offence allowed by law can be compounded. A dispute relating to a crime can be compromised even before case is registered, and in that case, victim of the crime may refuse to file a complaint. Full stop.